We're going to add ice in a big tin.
So you need more ice for that.
Yes,
Okay.
because we're going to shake the drink.
And this will take out the hangover.
Yes, it's the best remedy for curing
I should
hangover.
suggest all my friends then. They'll be very happy.
So each and every ingredient in this cocktail has some of the good value for your drink. It's known as healthy drink.
Healthy.
Yeah, so they say one should consume at least 5 servings of vegetable a day. So start your day with Bloody Mary.
Okay.
That gives you a head start for it.
Very
It's
good.
full of vegetables.
Trust me, I've already listed it in my bucket list.
Want to try shaking?
No, you can.
So first thing like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
press and
Okay,
this.
okay.
Try.
Like that, right?
Yeah, up and down.
Like that?
Yeah, just but in speed. Yeah.
Like that?